Audio 7.1.
1. Tiny Tommy tapped 10 tins tightly to the table. 2. The mother and father gathered together with their brothers. 3. Three thoughtful thinkers thought through the theory thoroughly. 4. Victor viewed vivid violets vibrating in the valley.
Audio 7.2.
To determine the real population of each species, experts periodically count its number in as many areas across the world as possible. They also take into account how people care for it, the condition of its environment, whether a disease harms it, and any other factors that could lead to its extinction. When scientists share that the species appears in danger of becoming endangered, the law makes it illegal to catch, hunt, or injure that animal without permission.
Audio 7.3.
1. Several species have extensive ranges of hundreds of square kilometers. 2. Students prepared a digital content on bacterial disease in animals and how it impacts them biologically. 3. Severe precautions are required to prevent the disappearance of wildlife.
Audio 7.4.
Bear. Air. Declare. Various. Deer. Atmosphere. Peer. Theory. Wildlife. Weather. Woodland. Whale. Fix. Complex. Oxygen. Relax.
Audio 7.5.
Welcome to our program on marine mammals. Today we have an expert, Henry Austin, to talk about dolphins, which are some of the smartest and most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Mr. Austin, welcome.
Thank you.
Mr. Austin, why are dolphins in danger?
Since the 1980s, the dolphin population has decreased by 73%. They face major dangers from human activity, like overfishing. Overfishing, particularly in a specific location, results in a significant drop in the number of fish accessible to them.
The lack of food supply is an important issue, not only for the dolphins, but also for the other marine animals like whales.
Yes, absolutely. And the other threat to their lives is noise pollution from ships, which interferes with their ability to communicate.
How does noise prevent them from communicating?
Dolphins use echolocation to find food, stay with their group, and warn each other of danger. The noise from ships makes it difficult for them to do these things, putting their safety at risk.
So, we should reduce human activity in the oceans.
That's right. We should also prevent overfishing, reduce sea pollution, and support the creation of marine sanctuaries to ensure dolphins are in safe hands.
What would happen if dolphins went extinct?
If dolphins went extinct, the number of animals they hunt would increase. This change could upset the natural balance of the food chain and harm other wildlife, as well as the health of the ocean.
I didn't realize dolphins had such an important role in the ocean.
Yes. Without them, the entire ecosystem could be affected. Every creature helps maintain the balance.
You informed us a lot about these amazing animals. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Austin.
Thank you for having me.